Hi everyone, Coach Gabby here with Svelte Training, and I'm super excited to show you this awesome routine because it's super important for spine health. No matter where you are in your life or your journey, it's super important to remember your back health and to take care of it. So today I have an everyday back pain relief routine. There you go. There I go. So let's get into it. All right, so first we have a little bit of a warm up. We're gonna open our feet a bit wider than hip width apart, and we're gonna bring our arms up like so, and we are going to stretch from side to side, slow and really feeling, that those stretches here in your obliques and warming up your body. So we're doing that for 30 seconds. Let's go. Arms up and stretch. Now, because we're doing this for 30 seconds, means it could look a little bit different from mine. You could be going even slower or maybe even a little bit faster. So whatever feels good for you and feels healthy for your body. So take your time and do what you can in 30 seconds. We're halfway there. Breathe. Last 5 seconds. And done. Bring those arms down, maybe roll those shoulders. And next we have kneeling lunge stretch. So we're gonna come down to the floor on our knees, gently. And we are going to start kneeling and bring one foot up. Make sure your knee is stacked on top of your ankle. So it's a 90-degree angle here. And we're gonna bring your two hands on top of your thigh and then slowly lean forward. All right, we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. I'm sorry, 15 seconds. All right, come back to kneeling, other leg, hands on thighs and forward. All right, gently come up, and next we have our seated spinal twist. So coming down to your butt, we're going to have our legs extended out. We're gonna take one of those legs, bend it, and bring the foot on the other side of the lying leg. From here, we are going to grab the outside of your bent knee and twist, like so. Now we're gonna hold here for 15 seconds. Gently untwist, let go of your knee, undo those legs and feet, and switch. Grab here and gently twist 15 seconds. Awesome, gently let go. Come back to normal position, and now we are going to be doing a single leg, single knee to chest stretch. So lying down, feet, legs extended, we are going to bring up one knee, and you're gonna grab both, you're gonna take both hands and grab right below your knee and pull towards your chest. Hold for 15 seconds. All right, gently release, bring your leg down, and next side. All right, gently release, bring your legs down, both extended for a second. Maybe bend those knees, shake those legs. And next we are going to be doing a double knee to chest. So basically what we just did, but both knees at the same time. All right, so when you're ready, bend your knees a little bit maybe to get it started. Tuck that butt in, make sure your back is straight and flat. And we're going to grab both knees and pull towards your chest. We're gonna hold this one for 30 seconds. Awesome, that should have felt good. Gently release, and we're going to put our feet flat on the floor, and we're going to bring our right foot to our left knee. So our next exercise is called the lying Piriformis Stretch. It's an interesting muscle that is right here in the buttocks, and sometimes it causes for back pain, so to stretch that out is super important. So, like I was saying, right to left, and then you're going to take your hands for the leg that is still on the floor and gently lift up and pull towards you. 15 seconds. All right, gently bring down your left foot and switch. Lift up, grab behind the thigh, pull towards your chest and hold 15 seconds. Gently lower your foot, release your thigh, and we are done. That is your everyday routine for back pain relief. Super important. Even if you don't have back pain yet, try this out to prevent it. Now we have a lot more videos just like this for strengthening and stretching. Check our YouTube channel and subscribe.